Master the pronunciation of English numbers 31 to 99. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial aspect of the English language, pronunciation of numbers 31 to 99. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to say these numbers correctly, but also you'll gain confidence to use them fluently in your everyday conversation. Let's begin with understanding the structure of these numbers. Generally, numbers from 31 to 99 follow a simple pattern in English. The first part is the tens place, 30, 40, 50, and so on, followed by a hyphen, and then the ones place, 1, 2, 3, etc. For example, 31 is pronounced as 31, 42 as 42, and 95 as 95. Remember, the hyphen is not written, but it does affect the pronunciation, making it sound like one word rather than two separate numbers. Let's focus on the pronunciation of the tens place. These numbers have a distinct pronunciation and are an important part to master. 30, 30. 40, 40. Be careful. It's not 40. The U disappears here. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. Practice these pronunciations several times, as they form the basis for the rest of the numbers up to 99. Now, let's quickly review the ones place. These are numbers from 1 to 9, and they are the same as you would use in any other context. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Now that we understand how to pronounce tens and ones separately, let's combine them to create numbers from 31 to 99. Remember to say it as a single word with a slight hyphenated sound. 31, 31. 52, 52. 46, 46. 77, 77. 89, 89. Keep practicing these and try forming other combinations to get more comfortable. That's it, folks. Now you're ready to confidently pronounce English numbers from 31 to 99. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. Try to incorporate these numbers into your daily life, like counting steps as you climb, or reading out prices while shopping. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey of learning English. Until next time, happy learning!